So this is my process of doing stop motion video. I installed my second phone on this improvised tripod stative or whatever. It's one broken tripod that I bought in the office because I can't afford to buy a new one, and a very cheap selfie from a Chinese, this one, and I put them together not to move, so it's nice. It's gonna be this figure in here. It's gonna do some activities and I'm gonna record it, and here is the display of stop motion app, which is showing all the features and the options you can choose to. And then I'm gonna choose the photo, I guess. It's my first time, so I don't really know how it works, but I'm gonna figure it out by doing probably like that. So I choose to take the pictures at that bottom over there because it would have less motion, I guess, because I don't have that kind of earphones that I can so let's give it a try. Is it working or not? No, it's not. Oh wait, I need two hands. Okay, so update. I would not use that button because it gives such much shake. So I'm gonna just use my fingers here. Yes, it's working. And I guess I need to do some settings. Just try a new one, and the settings, it's Funny HD, the free version, that's okay. And what else I do need? How many frames per second? Yeah, that's it. Let's have 15 frames per second, and the rest just gonna stay like it should. And yeah, let's try. Hey, my name is Frukostsson, and the idea is that I live in that box, and I'm gonna come out from there, and I will come here. Ooh. And then I will do some yoga exercises. Namaste. And then I will get hungry and will eat up one of those apples. But if they are too hard, I will be fine with a banana. So it looks like that our character has already found his bestie. He's living in this box. And it's taking small steps all the time, and each one is a frame. After finishing the recording phase, there is time for edit. Let's just see that you can add some text, shapes and background to your content.